and other fixed asset projects. So as we will be discussing today about the financial planning, and which is one of the most important aspect of our life, but unfortunately in India, 90% or more than 90% of people doesn't know about it. Forget following it about it, but doesn't know about it. So we will be discussing more about it, as the most of the participants are students. So we'll also concentrate more on the students portion as well. So if the journey starts in the student's age itself, so we do planning to have our smooth retirement and other goals as well, but then they can have the retirement very easily, very soon, and then they can enjoy their life or plan their own adventures, be an entrepreneurs. So we will be discussing more about the financial planning, and we'll also touch base how this corona epidemic has taught us how to manage the emergencies of our life, because emergency is what emergency means: uncertain risk, unknown event. So we should also be prepared always to cover these kind of events, so that the income or savings that we have generated or investments that we have done should remain intact, and there should not be any kind of financial distress on our families, and obviously on us. So in this, as most of the participants are from Pune or from India itself, so we will be continuing this session in both English and Hindi as well. So in case you have any question and answer, sorry,
Sir,
yeah,
I just want to interrupt you. Can you please share the PPT? Started sharing the PPT.
yeah,
Like,
I'll start sharing, Nidhi. Just let me introduce. Yeah. So in case of you have any question, then please send it to Nidhi madam or Sagar sir. So we will take it in the middle of the session as well as in the end of the session. So don't keep it to yourself, but yeah, definitely don't. I don't know whether there is any question and answer windows, or you can send it to them so that we can take it anytime. Okay, let me share my presentation. So as I talked about, it is the session about financial planning. So what is financial planning? Let me tell you something about our regular life. Everyone goes to Amazon or Flipkart these days, right? तो क्या होता है? First we think like we have to buy something. Then what we do? पहले हम देखते हैं हमारे पास कितने पैसे हैं, how much budget we have, right?
Sir, do it full screen.
So it is already full screen. Okay, let me. Okay.
Yeah. Everyone can see the full screen.
Is it okay now?
Sagar sir, from your side, or Neeraj sir from your side, you can see.
Yeah, ma'am. We can visible. Screen is visible, madam.
Okay.
It is visible, ma'am.
It is fine, madam. No problem.
I think it is problem on your side, Nidhi ji.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can call your husband and he can easily fix it. So, okay.
No.
Okay, so I was discussing how the planning goes. We don't understand actually. We do some kind of planning in our daily life, but we don't think about our future lives or how we should manage the finances. So I was talking about Amazon, right? So अगर हमें कोई चीज़ खरीदनी होती है, even maybe a mobile phone or laptop, even yeah, majorly main these things. So what we think, we discuss with a lot of friends and our family members. मेरा budget इतना है, how much budget I should have. तो 10,000 का खरीदना है, iPod खरीदना है, iPhone खरीदना है, और कंप्यूटर कौन सा खरीदना है. So we just set out our budget, right? सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, हम सेटिंग करते हैं, उसका प्लान करते हैं. चलो हमारा बजट 10,000 है या 20,000 है, विल प्लान व्हाट टू बाय नाउ. फिर उसको ऑर्डर करते हैं, दैट इज अचीव, राइट. फिर उसमें थोड़ा उल्टा होता है. पहले हम रिव्यूज पढ़ते हैं, लाइक हाउ इज आसूस फोन और हाउ इज सैमसंग फोन और हाउ इज डेल लैपटॉप, व्हाटसोएवर इट इज. देन वी order it and it comes. Then we again review it, right, whether this is working fine or not. So similarly, the financial planning is a process. What we do, we set our goals, then we plan our goals, then we achieve it, and then we again review it. It is the life goals that comes across your life in the different stages. Like you are the student, right? So now you are studying, then you will go for a training or maybe go for a job. then you will do a job for 4 or 5 years. Then when you get the job first, then you might be thinking of the big dreams, like you may be buying a car in next 2 3 years or maybe 4 years. So then you may be getting married after 6 7 years, so according to your age, right? Then planning your marriage, having a family, and then so on. So it will go on, right? Or you may be having your higher education as well. So these are the kind of things that we need to plan. These are the goals. These are called life goals. So if you don't manage these properly, so what happens if you don't manage? जब marriage होती है, we want to buy a car, we take a hefty loans. If you think the car, buying a luxury on the loan is good, no, it is eating your wealth. Actually, it is eating your investments, it is eating your savings, and also draining your wealth. Because if you buy a car, you buy it with your own, you buy it at a good price. But if you buy with the loan on a higher rate, so it is eating your wealth, right? So we'll be discussing all this. So it is very important to plan our future and take a better control of our finances. How we do that? By doing it the financial planning. So financial planning is, maybe it is student or a retired person or maybe a working man. It is very, very important and essential for everyone. So as early you as started, better it is. So we will discussing how it is better and how we can easily achieve our life goals. So what we will be discussing, it includes all this budget. As we discussed, first we need to have some budget. We will access what we have right now. Then we will plan our budget. Then after that we will do a goal planning. अभी मेरी सैलरी इतनी है, 5 साल बाद इतनी होगी. Like you are teachers, so you know how much increment you get, how much kind of maybe when you are changing jobs. So you may plan something like I will get a 10% hike or 20% hike for students. Like similarly, when you go for the private sector, if you get a better option, you definitely go for a better job. So as we discussed, we need to have a protection in the emergencies. So how we do then create the wealth? By investing or saving money. Saving money is like we do in the bank accounts, FDs, RDs. So investing is where there is risk and there is more return as well. So investing and saving money is, it seems similar, but both are different actually. So now if you go, you might have heard, how many of you, so everyone is on mute, okay, leave it. So how many of you, if you can raise your hands, know about this financial planning, or you can type it in the chat box if allowed. Anybody knows about financial planning? Anybody has heard about the financial planning? Sagar sir, can you open the chat window? So
Yeah, sir. Just I'm. Yes, sir.
So that we can have the interactive session. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Chat window is open now.
So if the students are there or even teachers, you can tell me how many of you know about is financial planning. So have you ever heard about it, or you are hearing it for the first time? आपने कभी सुना है फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग और हम कैसे इमरजेंसीज अपनी मैनेज करते हैं? Okay, let's then we'll plan accordingly. So nobody knows, I am assuming that nobody knows about it. So okay, so when you talk to even your parents, for students or teachers, as you are not so much into the financial words or maybe investing or into the stock markets, so what the common myths are with the financial planning? Myth 1. So हम सब सोचते हैं भी जब हमें रिटायर होना है तभी हमें कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए. This is the biggest myth for the financial planning. But as I discussed earlier, we need the financial planning. Even it is good if we can do it in the student age itself. How will we do it? Will be doing it? We will discuss definitely. Then the second myth is, it is investing. No. As we discussed, financial planning is not only about investing or saving the money. It is planning about your goals, budget, then emergencies also, and obviously the reviewing at the various stages. Then third, once we have done the financial plan, we need not to think about it. No, we have to review it at various stages of the life. और जैसे अभी कोरोना आ गया, हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की हैं, तो some people might panic also, but then we need to review it. नहीं, मुझे तो अगले साल पैसा चाहिए, I need money next year, but it is already going down. Then we can plan it accordingly. So this is the third myth. The fourth myth is we need a lot of money to do a financial plan. No, we need a lot of money if we are doing only at the stage of the retirement. Yes, we need a lot of money, but earlier you start at the student age, even you can start it with the rupees 500 or maybe 100. How we will do it? Like you get a pocket money from your parents, rather than spending on non-discretionary things or discretionary things or non-necessary things which are not required. We can save a lot of money. We don't need to have a, you can say, emotional buying. Rather than we need to think about our future as well, rather also enjoying our life. So why we need a financial plan? Why? First, today we should satisfy our today's needs by planning our budgets. Then by monitoring our budgets. अपने को क्या मिल रहा है, मेरे पास कितना पैसा है, कितना मुझे खर्च करना चाहिए और कितना मुझे सेव करना चाहिए. Then what are my future goals? As students, you may dream about going into the Microsofts. The students are computer, or maybe Tesla, or maybe Maruti, right? So many companies, L&T, the mechanical students. So then you want to may want to go to US for the higher studies. So these are all goals. You may be wanting to get married to at maybe 10 years, 11 years after 5 years of the job. So you need to plan it. So जब मैरिज होगी, आज की डेट में कितना खर्चा है, कितना इन्फ्लेशन है. अगर पहले 2 साल पहले 5 लाख लगता था, आज 10 लाख लग रहा है, तो हो सकता है 5 साल बाद 20 लाख लगे, राइट? सो वी नीड टू प्लान इट अकॉर्डिंगली. That you need to do it with someone experienced, maybe advisor, or maybe if your parents can do it. And then we plan the goals and then we try to achieve them. So the next thing is we need to have a retirement as soon as possible, if possible, or by creating wealth so that we can enjoy the retirement without any hassles. So everybody wants to enjoy the life with their family at some stage. Life is so stressful these days. It is very fast. Nobody has the time with the families while doing the jobs, right? So even in the daily life, we want to enjoy the time with the family. So when you want to get retirement, right? So how can you do that easily? Otherwise you will be again stressful. By creating the wealth, emergency protection, through how we can do that, setting aside some funds so that if there is any emergency coming or uncertainty comes, right, then we can have the funds to tackle with that before investing or before saving. It is kind of a saving, right? So you should have something which you can easily manage. So वो कैसे करना है, वो obviously this is a kind of a biggest financial planning part of. And then how? Then we can also have the insurance. People don't take insurance. Why they don't take it? For student age, it may be taking 5,000-6,000 to get medical insurance for 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. For even people below 35 years, it doesn't cost a family of more than 10,000. Somebody tells you buy a good buy your kid a 50,000 cycle. You just plan, you go and buy it on an emotional buying, but you don't buy your medical insurance. Now Corona came. Lot of people have lost their, you can say, mental peace just because of the money. They got affected by Corona and spent a lot of money on the in the hospitals. You know the situation. You hear about the money drain in the hospitals, how the private hospitals have done. We don't have a good government medical infrastructure, and we have a 130 crore population. It is not possible for any country's government to plan for such a huge population. So we should do our bit. Even in the life insurance, people are working, maybe teachers. If the family is dependent on you, life is so fast, we are driving daily on the bikes or on the cars, road accidents are happening. We don't care of ourselves. We don't wear helmets. So we don't wear seat belts. We drive rashly, right? Students do very rash driving these days. Even I used to do in my student days, but that time the roads were open. There was nothing else. There was no car on the roads. But I now, when I drive to Hinjewadi, people drive like a crazy, like they are driving F1. So they don't take care of themselves, and on the top of that, people don't buy insurance. So if there is some family member dependent on you, and you are not taking care of your health or your safety, something happens to you, and it happens daily. We read the news, right? So what happens? Your family gets disturbed once something unfortunate happened to you or anyone on which you are dependent. So that is called emergency protection. So now, are you able to understand anything you are missing here, so that we can go ahead? Otherwise, anyone? I'm clear.
So you go ahead. No problem, actually.
Okay. So the financial planning process we have already discussed, but this is in a proper way, in a disciplined manner. It is a 6-stage process. First, we need to access our finances, what we have. Then we need to, so agar aapki salary like 10,000, if you have a 10,000 salary, you cannot plan your expenses or budget for 12,000. How will you manage it? You will not be able to eat your food also, right? So then we need to plan. So agar aapki salary 10,000 hai, 20,000 hai, you plan your budget. You rent a house of 5,000 or 15,000 accordingly. Then you put your kid in a school, or जैसे students हैं, if they are getting you can say pocket money of 7,000, 8,000, they share accommodation with other students. Then they take some pocket money also, so that they can enjoy their life, so that they can fulfill their needs. So then they plan their budget. Students plan accordingly, salaried personnel plan accordingly. So the wealthy personnel plan accordingly. They have a big parties, and accordingly they have to do some social processing as well, right? So then we need to define our goals. For students, it may be, first goal may be to buy a bike, or maybe buy a car when they get you can say a good job, right? Then they may plan to buy a house later on. Everybody dreams about his own house, but they don't know the jargons. But everybody goes and take hefty loans just to fulfill their needs. जस्ट मेरे क्लिक ने लिया है, मेरे पास भी होना चाहिए. मेरे क्लिक के पास मर्सिडीज है, पर मेरे पास मारुति है, मुझे मर्सिडीज खरीदना. I'll go and take on a loan. No, you need to define a goal. Then you need to push for it. You need to work hard for it. Once you have that money ready, then you can achieve your goal, right? So then you need to check your risk tolerance. One person can take a risk. He doesn't do the job. He's so confident of himself that I can start my own adventure and I'll succeed. Even few students are doing that. आजकल हम अखबारों में पढ़ते हैं, we hear a lot of things that 15-year-old kid has developed some app and he has earned millions, right? They are running a YouTube channel. They have earned millions. So these are the kind of creativity these days the world has. Even you watch this Indian Idol, Indian kids आज की आवाज वगैरह टीवी में आते हैं, right? So people with 15 years of 20 years of age, they are earning so much. If you have the talent, go ahead. Nobody is stopping you. So you need to check your risk. But yeah, definitely on the other hand, you also see your family positions. You may want to take a job only, you can't take a risk, or you may want to do your own adventure. So then when we define the plan, when we have all this data ready, also we need to plan the emergencies. Then we create the plan. After that, once we create the plan, once we do some planning, then we need to implement it, right? So that plan is that is all a, you can say, step-by-step process. Once you create it, then you implement it. So then at various stages, maybe annually, or maybe at some, you can say, inflection point kind of stuff, or maybe some emergency point of stuff, or some life goal, as per your desire or requirement, you need to review it regularly with your advisor. Or if you know yourself, then you can do it yourself. But it is good. We always try to save some money, but you don't know, this saving of money can also cost you a lot of money if you do some planning wrong. Okay, so you need to review your plan regularly. So how do we assess our financials? We see what we have already. Like this table is valid more for the you can say senior professionals. For students it may not be valid, but you need to know that. So your parents are working, for students their parents are working, right? For teachers it is very much valid there. For lady teachers their husbands may be working, or for hus gents their ladies may be also working, so we can accordingly, or they may be a single earner, right? So this is called assets and liabilities. What we earn, what we have, and what we spend. These two slides will go accordingly. So we need to check what our current financial health is and what are our assets and liabilities. So इसमें जैसे लिखा है, if you have your own house, your own plot, your own shop, something like that, then you can put the current value. आपके पास कितना cash है, how much cash you have in hand. Even for students, how much cash you have your in hand, like maybe in the bank accounts, or maybe you are doing some pocket money saving. Then how much fixed deposits you have. Debt funds, you don't know about. I don't know how many of you know about the mutual funds, or the debt fund is a kind of a fixed income where the risk is very less. It is risk is there always, but as compared to equities or maybe gold or maybe real estate is very less. It is kind of a, that's why it is called fixed income also. Then we have savings, gold, EPF for it is called employees provident fund, or PPF, public provident fund. Even students might be knowing it because their parents are doing for themselves also as well, and for their children as well. So bonds and debt, gold fund. So it's the same thing, right? Gold and gold fund, because gold fund is kind of a gold where people do buy a paper gold. So आजकल जैसे gold की बहुत डिमांड है, gold बढ़ रहा है, but everybody cannot buy it. So you go and buy gold funds. You can buy it for 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees also, because हर एक बंदा एक तोला नहीं खरीद सकता 55,000 में. But you still think it is giving us a good like we want to buy some gold, then you can invest in the gold funds. So similarly, stocks and mutual funds, NPS for employees, it is a very good or who doesn't want to take much risk. NPS is a very good tool for your retirement, right? So then we fix our liabilities, how much loan we have, or other liabilities. पर्सनल लोन्स हैं, जो आपके हाउस लोन्स हैं, बाइक लोन्स हैं, कार लोन्स हैं, और कई बार हमारी और भी लाइबिलिटीज होती हैं, लाइक हम इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं. वी नीड टू पे अ इंस्टॉलमेंट एनुअली, मंथली और क्वार्टरली as you have taken. So that is a monthly outgoing expense. So we need to jot that down. फिर हमारी मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस हो गया, वो भी एक ही चीज है, राइट? सो देन हमारा टोटल इंश्योरेंस का आउटगो कितना है, हाउ मच वी आर पेइंग फॉर द इंश्योरेंस. Ultimately you are not you may be earning something maybe at age of 25 years from some endowment plans, that though we never recommend that because that is a money eater actually. So but ultimately it is going out from your pocket. You don't know about the future, right? Whether you will be able to use it or not. But medical insurance is a totally एक खर्चा है, but then it is the kind of expense that you need to do, that is mandatory in your life. Okay, so so how we do that? College में भी आप पढ़ते होंगे, economics के students, as you are, most of you are from the engineering, so you might not be knowing. When I was in engineering, so we had an economic subject as well. So we knew that. So I don't know whether you have that subject right now or not. So assets, what is we have discussed, that is, you can say the current assets, right? And liabilities, जो हमारा खर्चा है, how much liabilities like loans, insurance we own. So what we have the net worth right now. Net worth is what we have. So अगर आपके पास assets 10 लाख की हैं, but आपके पास लोन 12 लाख का है, you are net in the actually आप कर्जे में डूबे हुए हो, right? So people say that we have a home, right? But we have paid only 10 lakhs and we are living in a 1 crore home. You are not sitting in your own home. It is bank's home. If you are not able to pay your EMI once, they will sell it, right? So everything, even for the car, you may be enjoying the luxury. It is value is depreciating. It is not increasing. So you are paying it for the bank luxury, not for your luxury. For your, it is a short-term gain. For bank, it is a long-term gain, right? But it is a long-term pain for yourself, buying a luxury on the loan. So then we plan budget planning, कैसे हम अपना income and expenses करते हैं. So I have made a separate column for students particularly for this session, right? So expense detailing हम करते हैं, how much household expense we have, लोन है, रेंट है, हमारा एनुअल मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस देते हैं हम लोग, जैसे आरओ का है, एसीज का है, यूटिलिटीज गैस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल आती हैं, आजकल फोन एंड इंटरनेट का बिल हो गया. सो डिश लिखना था, सो डिश एंटीनाज हैं, वीडियोज हैं, राइट. सो सिमिलरली ट्रांसपोर्ट का है, कितना पेट्रोल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, इट मे बी बाइक और कार एज वेल. सो सम पीपल माइट बी टेकिंग बसेस. फूड एंड ग्रोसरी का कितना बिल फिर आएगा, इसमें अपनी ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग हो गई, आप अमेजन से कर रहे हो या किराना शॉप से कर रहे हो या फिर बिग बास्केट से कर रहे हो. मिल्क, डाइनिंग आउट monthly or maybe quarterly or maybe some people go out daily as well or weekly as well, right? So how much other expenses you have. Then family and friends, parents support up, maybe some people don't have earning parents or they don't have the pensions, right? So they need to support their parents. Similarly, child expenses for earning professionals, they have children, they need to bear their education expenses, right? Clothes expenses, everything you need to count it, because when you are detailing your expenses you need to detail your complete budget. Don't think so बच्चा तो मेरी जिम्मेदारी, parents मेरी जिम्मेदारी. No, it is your responsibility, definitely responsibility, but how much then you need to spend on them, how much you can spend on your children, how much then you need to spend on yourself, right? So we need to check. Otherwise you will end up, if you don't plan it, you will end up spending whole money on your lifestyle expenses, which are the next one, like hobby classes. हमने हम like we see, उसका बच्चा गिटार सीखने जाता है, his child is going for the you can say art classes or maybe dance classes or कराटेज, right? मेरा बच्चा क्यों नहीं जा रहा? भाई उसकी सैलरी 2 लाख हो सकती है महीने की, 1 लाख हो सकती है, but your salary is 50,000. Are you, can you bear that? So the children are good enough, like last, you can say this year's Indian Idol, Sunny, he was from my hometown, so that's why I know. He didn't have even a single class of a music, but he won Indian Idol, right? Because he learned everything on the YouTube. So that is the kind of passion people have. So if you have something necessary to do that, then there are alternative ways in this kind of world today. You need to have some passion for that. You need to have some kinds of alternate thinking about that. Similarly, everyone needs to support you as well, right? So similarly, so tours and travels, आप साल 1-2 साल में या 6 महीने में कहीं बाहर घूमने जाते हो. Then financial commitments आपकी होती है, लोन repayments हैं, अगर आपको करना है कुछ, हाउस इंश्योरेंस. हेलो.
Yeah,
So these are,
everything is okay. Continue, sir.
there is a lot of humming sound coming actually. Okay. So these are the kind of expenses for students now. So you get a pocket money, that is your income. Some students are getting scholarships, maybe NTSE scholarship or school, आजकल college वाले भी scholarship देते हैं. So any part-time income, students are smart enough, they build their own kind of business. Some people even do a part-time jobs, or as I told, some students create their own websites, applications, right? So they earn from that. Then gift and prizes, we celebrate our birthdays, or we go to our hometowns, or maybe some uh, relatives visits us, they give us some gifts or maybe some shaguns, right? In India that is a culture. Or other income, so you plan how much income you have regularly. So expenses, आपके मेस चार्जेस हैं, आपके डाइनिंग आउट चार्जेस हैं, कैंटीन एक्सपेंसेस हो गए, स्टेशनरी होगी, ट्रैवलिंग हो गए, तो आप पार्टीज करते हो, मूवीज जाते हो, रूम रेंट हो गया, जो बाहर रहते हैं, हॉस्टल में नहीं रहते, हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, उनका रेंट कम होगा बट दे नीड टू पे समथिंग. देन ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस हो गए, अदर चार्जेस बहुत कुछ है. आजकल गैजेट्स पे लोग बहुत खर्च करते हैं, दे वांट टू एंजॉय देयर लाइफ. Okay, so ultimately how much you can save. So there are, if you jot it down, if you see every expense, then you can find it out what is necessary for you. So if you are earning, you maybe for student, if it is earning at 10,000, but on necessary expenses you are having expenses of 7,000, then you can save at least 1 or 2,000 for yourself and invest that, rather than spending on the discretionary expenses which are not necessary every month or every day, right? So this is how you create your wealth. Once you understand these kind of financial words, try to visit once a month or maybe once a week any financial website or try to read financial articles. Don't say I don't have any interest, but ultimately life is based on your finances. Country's economy is based on our budget and finances. It is everyone's, you can say, inherent part or imbibed part. Everybody and everyone needs to know it, whether he is a teacher or he is a financial consultant, he is an engineer or he's a student, whosoever it is, right? So everyone should know about it. They should think about it. So same way we need to, then we need how much we can save and how much we can invest. What are the discretionary expenses? So this is part of both earning professionals as well as for students. So then we come for the budget planning. So how much the first earner earn, agar dono members earning है family के, second earner earn, then how much the expenses that we calculated above, so we can jot it down. So the most important thing is now SMART goals. So I have another slide for that, for students particularly. So SMART, what is SMART? Specific, S, measurable, attainable or achievable or realistic and time bound. अगर आपका goal specific नहीं है, if it is not specific, you can't achieve it. But what do you mean by specific? What do you want to have? आप कहोगे I want to pay my college fees in time, but you don't know how much college fees is. So that is specific. You want to pay 10,000, 50,000, 20,000, 1 lakh. So I will save money. If you don't know the college fees, you don't specify it, right? You can't save it. Then measurable. आपने loan लिया है. You might have taken education loan. I will pay off my debts, right? But कब करोगे? कितना करोगे? Next 6 months, I will. Then you can say that in next 2 years or maybe 4 years degree, in next 4 years I'll pay 2 lakhs of my debt. So you need to save for that, or you need to plan for that. Then attainable, I will save money. Kitni money? It should be in your reach. For students, like I will save 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees per month by cutting out my discretionary expenses. Maybe I will not go to the movies. I will not buy expensive gadgets, or I'm going movie once a week, then I'll go once a month. Dining out, I'm going every week in a good hotel. If I want to enjoy a dining, I can go in a good hotel once a month, but I cannot enjoy the dinner with my friends at dhaba or canteen, right? Then realistic, it should be realistic. तो क्या होगा realistic? मतलब आप कहोगे मैं rich हर एक बनना चाहता है, everybody wants to be rich, but how will you be rich, right? So first you need to pay off your debts, right? So, or you need to specify it, whatever is in your reach right now. So तो आप कहोगे I will not take any loan on my luxury, right? So I will try to work hard to achieve it. It should be realistic. आप कहोगे नहीं मैं 10,000 per month save करूंगा, आपकी सैलरी 15,000, can you save it? No, it is not realistic. तो how will you save it? Maybe by doing FD, RD. इतना FD करूंगा या इतना RD करूंगा, I'll save so that I can pay my debts and I can be realistic. Time bound. Until unless the goal is time bound, that is T, you cannot achieve it. I want to retire. You can retire at 70 also, right? But I want to retire at age of 40, 45. So you can plan it accordingly. मुझे ये करना है, इतना सेव करना है, इतना इन्वेस्ट करना है, और you need to have a car in next 4 years. I want to have a car in next 4 years. So if you want to plan a Maruti, so you plan the budget accordingly. If you plan to buy a, you can say Santro or hire car, so you need to plan it accordingly. But if you say I will buy a car, it is never achievable. So आप क्या करोगे? लोन ले लोगे, यार मैंने तो कार सोचा था कार लेनी है. You'll go and buy it on a loan, but you don't plan for it. Okay, so these are the kind of goals that we set apart. This is a common slide, so you can relate, students can relate it to themselves. So the common goals that they have, like they maybe have education child one, so they can think about their higher education. Then they can think about their marriage, they can think about their retirement. Similarly, the working professional can think about themselves. So उसमें क्या करते हैं हम देखते हैं अभी, how much, like आज कार की cost 5 lakh है, but will it be the same in next 5 years? No. Inflation will count. चीजों के प्राइस बढ़ेंगे. Like we are depend, if we are an importer, are we manufacturing country, no, right now we are not, so we are importing steel from China maximum, right? Or maybe from India also. So accordingly, the things with the global change, right? If the dollar is increasing, the cars prices can increase if you want to buy a Mercedes, right? So accordingly, higher education, whether you want to do it in India or you want to do it in abroad, so you need to plan it accordingly. House, how much you want to buy a house? If you think I will buy a house for 1 crore, but you have a salary of only 50,000, no, don't take the loan then. Keep it realistic. But then otherwise, you need to forecast it for some later time, so that when your salary increases, so that you can, or you need to save it accordingly. Then you need to cut your lot of discretionary expenses, or maybe some, you need to be prudent about yourself. We need, sometimes we do start savings and investing so much that our daily life is in stress. No, it should not be there. You should enjoy. Life is for happiness. We should not we should not stress too much on investing or savings also, that our life is in stress. But yes, definitely you need to cut out your discretionary expenses so that you can plan the life accordingly with the enjoyment and happiness. So these are the three goals which set out our basics of the financial planning. So if any, we can take a 2-3 minutes pause here, so that if anybody has any question, we can take it right now. Otherwise, you people may get confused later on. Any teacher or any student? Hello?
All the faculty members are requested, if you have any questions, you can ask to Kunal sir. Student also is requested. If you have any question, please ask.
Okay, I guess then everybody is understanding. So let's keep this session interactive. So I know not everyone can understand everything. So सभी को सब कुछ समझ नहीं आ सकता. अगर आपको कोई है तो आप मुझे बताएं. ठीक है? Okay. So the thing that we discuss first is, before investing or saving anything, we need to discuss think about our risk tolerance, right? Risk tolerance is how much risk you can take. Few people, as I discussed earlier, they don't take jobs, they start their adventure as soon as possible, so that they can have a good life. They don't want to be under someone, so that they can define their own lives as per their own desired dreams or what they want to be. Sometimes it proves very worthy, but sometimes it doesn't work out also. But that is their risk capacity. We can take examples of Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. They were rejected they went for the jobs, but they were rejected. Now what we are doing, everything is because of them, right? Apple, Microsoft, iPhones, even Samsungs and everything came later, right? Reliance Industries, Dhirubhai Ambani was working for a textile company. He opened his own textile company, Bimal, earlier. Then came the Reliance Petroleum. Now Jio, everyone's life. Reliance Retail. Everyone is running after Reliance Retail and Reliance. So that is the risk capacity. That is even the investors, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, Benjamin Graham. They started their investing in students' career, 13 years old, 14 years old. Warren Buffett bought his first share in the age of 13. He started his investing. He bought Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Apple earlier, Amazon. Now his company share is the costliest one in the market, Berkshire Hathaway. $239,000 a single share. Even we don't earn throughout our life that much of the amount that a single share costs. That is because they started earlier. They started reading the things. They started predicting the things. So when you go to the market, see what is going on. So take there, but yeah, definitely don't go beyond your risk capacity. So if you think you don't take any kind of risk, be a conservative investor. So आप नहीं रिस्क लेना चाहते, आपको ये है मुझे 10,000 की सैलरी मिल रही है, मैं उसी से खुश हूँ, पर मैं अपना 10,000 का गलती से 9,000 भी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो ठीक है, आप एफडीज करो, पीपीएफ में आपको टैक्स सेव करना है, पीपीएफ में डालो, या डेट फंड्स में डालो जो लिक्विड फंड्स आते हैं आप अगर सुना है, या गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स में डालो जो कि जिनकी एक डेफिनेट मेच्योरिटी रहती है और उसमें रिस्क भी नहीं रहता है। फिर आप कहते हैं नहीं यार मैं ठीक है, आई कैन टेक अ मॉडरेट काइंड ऑफ रिस्क, मैं थोड़ा सा रिस्क ले सकता हूँ, बट फिर भी मुझे डर लगता है मेरा पैसा डूब ना जाए, तो ठीक है मैं 10-15% या 20% अपना, और मे बी अप टू 50% आई कैन पुट सेविंग्स अपनी मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन डू सम इन्वेस्टमेंट, बट मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं ले सकता. सो यू definitely we need to have a asset allocation kind of stuff, but you define your own risk profile. So then you do government bonds, PO bonds, balanced mutual funds आते हैं जिसमें डेट और अपना इक्विटी दोनों रहते हैं. इक्विटी मीन्स कंपनी स्टॉक्स जो उनके म्यूचुअल फंड्स रहते हैं. सो देन सीधे स्टॉक्स भी खरीद सकते हैं आप. तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ मिक्स. देन सम पीपल आल्सो पुट इन द गोल्ड. देन अग्रेसिव इन्वेस्टर्स, right? So they can say no, we know that we have a good job, we have a good business, we don't need any money, and we have already built our emergency fund, we have also protected our emergencies with the insurance, so we are ready to take risk. No worries, because we are not going to withdraw this money in next 10 years or 15 years. So they वो क्या करते हैं, सीधा इक्विटी मार्केट में जाते हैं. People invest in LIC. You know LIC is not an investment, it is a money eater. And who is the biggest investor in the Indian stock market? That is LIC. कितना? 6 lakh crores. 6 lakh crores. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम इंश्योरेंस भी कराते हैं LIC से. नहीं यार वो पैसा वापस आ जाएगा. You know how much ultimate return you get when you get your money back? Only 2 to 3%, maximum 4%. एक दो प्लान उन्होंने बीच में लॉन्च किए थे जो 8-10% देते थे. एक प्लान था 12% दे रहा था. दैट इज एन एबिरेशन. वो LIC ने लोगों को अपनी तरफ वापिस अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए किया था, सिर्फ 1 साल के लिए. ओनली 10% और 5% लोग उस टाइम खरीद पाए. व्हाट दे डू, हाउ LIC इज पेइंग यू सो मच? दे इन्वेस्ट इन इक्विटीज टू बिल्ड देयर ओन वेल्थ, एंड यू आर गिविंग इट टू LIC टू बिल्ड देयर वेल्थ एंड लूज योर वेल्थ. हाउ मच इंश्योरेंस दे गिव? दे टीचर्स माइट बी नोइंग इट, लाइक आप 25,000 का प्रीमियम देते और 3 लाख का इंश्योरेंस मिलता है आपको. हमारा पैसा वापस आ जाएगा. आप 25,000 अगर बैंक FD में भी कराओगे ना, उसमें भी आप उससे ज्यादा रिटर्न ले लोगे आप. So we need to think. So that's why somewhere you need some advice. Maybe आपके फ्रेंड्स भी दे सकते हैं जिनको मार्केट्स के बारे में पता है, जिनको वेरियस स्टेजेस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बारे में पता है. और इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव एन एडवाइजर. आप अपनी पोजीशन बताओगे, एडवाइजर विल चार्ज यू लेस एज वेल, राइट? तो बट थिंक अबाउट इट. Then investments and savings. So power of compounding. Everybody must have read about compound interest. Power of compounding. How does the money double? So there is a rule of 72 sorry. कैसे होता है? जितनी आपको एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न है, अगर आप 72 को उससे डिवाइड करोगे तो इट विल गेट डबल इन दैट मच ऑफ टाइम. अगर आज की डेट में अगर आप बैंक में जाते हो, आपको FD की रिटर्न है 5.5% या 5%, मैक्सिमम 6% सीनियर सिटीजन को, तो आपका पैसा 12 साल में डबल होगा. आपकी इन्फ्लेशन 5% है, तो 12 साल में तो कीमतें भी डबल हो जाएंगी. डू यू थिंक योर मनी विल ग्रो? आज की डेट में वो 10,000 है, तो फ्यूचर में 10,000 ही रहेगा. 10 का 20 नहीं बनने वाला वो. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी 20,000. तो आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स, 10 ईयर्स, 12 ईयर्स सॉरी, 10,000 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Have you ever thought about these lines? Everybody reads math, everybody is passionate about math. Some people are not passionate about maths, right? We learn this, we just cram these things, but we never apply the things in our life. That is the difference in America, Europe, and India. In America, 38% of the population is vested in equity markets. They know how to build the wealth. In India, only 4% of the population is invested in creating the wealth in equity market. Then we say Americans are rich. No, they know the better planning. Their education system is like that. They know how to apply it practically. We go more on a emotional side. हमारे किसी रिश्तेदार ने आके बोल दिया नहीं इक्विटी मार्केट में पैसा डूब जाएगा, जा आप LIC में लगाओ, आपका पैसा वापस आ जाएगा. LIC में you do a policy for 25 ईयर्स आपकी एक लायबिलिटी बन गई 25 साल में। अगर आप LIC को 10 साल बाद तोड़वाओगे आपको आधा पैसा भी नहीं मिलता है, डबल तो छोड़ दो। आपने अगर 2 लाख का प्रीमियम भरा होगा 1 लाख भी नहीं मिलता है आपका, तो बैंक FD का रिटर्न कहाँ है? इन केस unfortunately you lose your jobs, will you be able to fill that premium? No. आप पे कर पाओगे? No, you cannot do that. You will, first priority will be to run your family then. That's why we say people better buy a term plan, at least you don't have the liability. आपका पैसा जाता है जाने दो, बाकी पैसा आपको चाहिए 50 लाख का इंश्योरेंस, but you are buying only for 3 lakhs just to save your money. Your family is still not safe. You cannot, आज की what happens in the 3 lakhs rupees if something happens to you? You don't even get a car यार. Forget about the family. आज के बच्चों की फीस 1-1 लाख 1.5 लाख रुपए है। हर एक किसी को गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में जॉब एडमिशन मिलती नहीं है। यू डोंट गेट एडमिशन इन सिम्बायोसिस जो 20-25 हज़ार में हो जाता है, जहाँ बाल शिक्षण, राइट, और इन द स्टेट बोर्ड स्कूल्स. So earlier, so this is a kind of a SIP investment. It is a 12% return app note, but it may be 10%, 8% also. So you think if you invest 2,000 per month for 33 years, it become 1 crore. Now if you start 10,000, after, suppose if you are starting later, then you need to invest 10,000. For student, if they start investing even 1,000 right now, they can have a good corpus in 5 years, 10 years and 12 years. धीरे धीरे जैसे when they get the job, they should start increasing, and they can retire in the age of you can say 40, 45, or maybe even earlier if they get a good salary. Even for teachers, नहीं हमारा pension कटता, हमारा PF कटता, that is a good part of life. That is a very, very good investment as well, because we get a tax-free 7.85%, right? But do take some risk in the life. That's why people say high risk, high returns. But if you save tax by investing in the PPF, you don't think before 15 years. What happens in the equity market? Our stock market गिर गया, सारी market में अल्लाह में, आप अपनी NAV देखोगे, stock का price देखोगे. No, why? Let it be invested for 15 years. Then you will see the returns. Because everything is market driven, related to, there is something like Corona happens, sometimes Great Depression happens, US Iraq पे attack कर दिया, so that happens, right? Markets will drive because these are globally linked. So this is the kind of how we can build the wealth. So time value of money, that's what I told you already. Inflation erodes wealth. अगर आपकी इन्फ्लेशन 5% चल रही है या 6% चल रही है और आपकी बैंक FD आपको 5 या 6% रिटर्न दे रही है, तो आपकी मनी नहीं ग्रो कर रही है. जो आज आप कर रहे हो 40 रुपए में, 12 साल बाद 80 रुपए में खरीदोगे. अगर 6 रुपए में आज राइस आप 50 रुपए में खरीदो, 100 रुपए में खरीदोगे, वही आपके बैंक में भी तो 100 रुपये बन रहा है ना, आपने पर कहाँ सेव किया? हैव यू अर्नड एनीथिंग? अगर बैंक डिपॉजिट्स बाई चांस कम हो गए, 6 की जगह 5.5 रहा, अगर इन्फ्लेशन 6 से 7 हो गई, तो यू विल लूज योर मनी आल्सो. सो इन्फ्लेशन erodes wealth. That's why time value of money, where we need, that's why you people अपना कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पढ़ते हो, राइट? रीड अबाउट इन द बुक्स, बट थिंक अबाउट दैट गिव अस द टाइम वैल्यू. हम कहते हैं ना 10 साल बाद आपको 6% इंटरेस्ट मिला, 10 साल बाद क्या होगा? बट हाँ 6% आप ये देखो ना, आपका इन्फ्लेशन भी बढ़ रहा है. Think about the other things, right? So that is the time value. How much money will be costing that the current 10,000, how much will be costing in the next 12 years? If the regular rate of increase in the commodities is 6%, हम सिर्फ पढ़ते हैं भी, हमने इतना जमा किया, बट अगर हमने इतना खर्चा किया, have you ever read that? No, because we don't devise our problems ourselves. We just go for the math book. हमें सिलेबस में सिर्फ ये बोला गया है. Never there is also a chapter on discounting. Also do it seriously. हम money eroding का नहीं पढ़ते हैं, but we always read about making the money. Okay. So then the fifth step is that how to prepare a financial plan. So we have discussed already these steps: future expenses, emergency fund. So the working professional needs to pay tax. So then we need to define our goals. Loans क्या हैं? Retirement के लिए हमें कितना चाहिए? सो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे करनी है प्लान की फिर? सो उसमें आप अपनी इन्वेस्टिंग कैसे करोगे? जो हमने बजट प्लान बनाया कैसे बनाएंगे? हाउ मच वी नीड टू सेव, वेयर वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर द टैक्स प्लान, सो दैट वी कैन पे टैक्सेस ऑन टाइम, राइट? सो This is the kind of financial plan. Future expenses, daily expenses, life event expenses like your marriage, your higher educations, maybe job, buying a car, then education, loans, insurance, etc. Emergency fund. We need to take care of emergencies, which is most important thing, but we don't care about it. And important insurance like life insurance, medical insurance, critical illness. People are suffering a lot from cancer, heart attacks these days. Then disabilities. We are driving carelessly on the roads, so anything can happen. Or even in the earthquakes, or maybe you are going for a vacation and you can say beaches or something, like something happens to you. Any disability can happen. We are working near, ladies are working near the gas, and fire can happen, right? So disability insurance. Then goal planning, tax planning is, students might not be knowing it, but yeah, working for teachers, you know how to do tax planning. ATC, life insurance, children fees, so you can save your taxes. NPS, national pension scheme. ATD is the medical insurance. Home loan interest is also uh, uh, benefited under the interest, right? So then goal planning, setting out the goals that we have already discussed. Loans, responsible borrowings, we'll discuss in the next slide about the loans. So we have mainly, you have learned about the home loans, car loans, education loans, personal loans, and credit card loans. These two loans are the most dangerous loans. People don't think about it, but they take it. And you should always avoid these loans. रिटायरमेंट प्लान, ठीक है, हाउ टू, अगर आज हमें 1 करोड़ रुपया चाहिए या 10 लाख 50 लाख रुपया चाहिए हमारे एक्सपेंसेस के हिसाब से हमारे पेरेंट्स को, देन आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स, अगर हम स्टूडेंट्स are 20 years old, maybe 15 years old, they have to retire after 30 years. If we take 6% of inflation itself, देखो 30 कितना बन जाएगा, अगर आज की डेट में 50 लाख है तो उसको करो 12 3 करोड़ रुपया चाहिए आपको 30 साल बाद. Need to plan it accordingly. It will be good if you get a job in US, Microsoft, and you may be earning 3 crore per year also. Then your desires, your life status changes, right? तो आपकी रिटायरमेंट के आपके खर्चे बढ़ जाएंगे. You will put your children in a highest level of education institutes. So then you have to plan it accordingly. That's why even people have so much of the money, they are still stressed because their desires become higher. तो लोन्स वर्सेस इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, हम क्या करते हैं, वी टेक लोन्स फॉर अवर लग्जरी बट वी डोंट डू द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स फॉर अवर ओन. सो just because the time is getting over, so we'll go a bit faster. So loans and investments both are different. Investment is like we are doing, some people say savings are investment, so let's take savings as investment. Right now bank FDs or maybe the mutual funds, debt funds, whatsoever, they're the, or maybe some people do investments only in the real estate and in the gold. But in the gold and the real estate part, investments are not liquid. आप उसको कभी भी जाओगे, अगर आपने अपने घर वालों के लिए अपने यू कैन से ज्वेलरी खरीदी है, because of our beliefs, you can say we don't even sell the single portion of our salary, right? Can you please go on mute? Hello.
Neeraj sir, please mute all the participants. Yeah, actually, everyone is muted only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to do the investments for our financial goals. But now let me discuss about the loans, because students are the most affected person because of their dreams, you can say, or they don't know the things. So investments and loans both are dependent on your financial strength and other factors. So credit card debts and personal loans are very costly. Banks will be calling you again and again. Teachers, any working professional, even students, they have started calling. अगर आप एजुकेशन लोन लेने जाते हैं, उनके पास आपका डेटा आ गया, दे विल कॉल यू, सर आपको पर्सनल लोन अवेलेबल है, आप एप्पल का आईपॉड खरीद लो, आपको वो हो 1000 रुपया महीना. बट यू एवर थिंक दे गिव यू ऑन 12% of loan, even you don't get 12% of the returns from a worthy investment. Sometimes 12% loan means you are, आप अपने आप को गिरवी रख रहे हो just for your desires. क्रेडिट कार्ड डेट्स, यू नो क्रेडिट कार्ड अगर आपका डिले हो गया पेमेंट, हम लोग जाते हैं, हम गए विजय सेल्स, लाइक वी गो टू विजय सेल्स, वी गो टू रिलायंस मार्ट, ओह क्रेडिट कार्ड पे इतनी ईएमआई है, अभी ले लो। क्यों? आपके पास उतना पैसा है बैंक में, you can take EMI like interest free EMIs if you have that kind of money in the bank account. Then you can enjoy that luxury. Even to don't take a 0% EMI for your luxury if you don't have that money. Because once you default on a credit card, your credit history will be destroyed. आपको कहीं से अगर आपको घर भी बनाना होगा तो आपको लोन नहीं मिलेगा। Then डिलेड पेमेंट चार्जेस, आपने 5,000 की चीज खरीदी होगी, आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा आपके अकाउंट से 550 रुपए कब काट के ले जाएंगे वो। You end up, I know one of my friends, even he was working, I told him he was always in stress. Why are you in stress? कहता सर क्रेडिट कार्ड के लोन ने मारा गया। कहता 10,000 का 15,000 का लिया था 3 साल पहले, अभी 1 लाख हो गया है। मैंने किसने बोला तुझे लेने को क्रेडिट कार्ड का लोन? कहता वो 2 बार मैं भूल गया क्रेडिट कार्ड का बिल पे करना, उसके बाद ये ऐसे बढ़ता जा रहा है, उसके बाद मैंने होम लोन ले लिया। You cannot think about that, and they charge 36% per annum. So always be careful. क्रेडिट कार्ड अपने को देता है, like why they give you credit? Out of the 100%, only 10% defaults. When those 10% defaults, they do the work for 200% people. You know that. So you have to be very careful, particularly in these two loans. Never take that for your luxury. और क्रेडिट कार्ड तो लेना ही नहीं है। अगर पर्सनल लोन लेना भी पड़ता है and you know some payment of yours is coming and it is very emergency situation for you, then only go for it, so that you can pay in next 1-2 months or maybe 3 months. But still they don't allow you to prepay the loans. They charge you very heavy penalties. आपने 10% पे लोन लिया होगा और आप प्रीपे करते हो तो 5% अपफ्रंट चार्ज कर लेते हैं। दे चार्ज 5% अपफ्रंट, सो दे डोंट bother about you. They are only worried about your profits. So don't ever come into the talks of these bank professionals. Banks are the biggest thugs in this Indian market. थोड़े ये अपने PSU पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक लाइक SBI वगैरह फिर भी ठीक हैं, ICICI, Axis Bank, HDFC, even if you get their calls, just disconnect it. Don't listen to them. If you want to go for a home loan, then you can think about that, but otherwise they will say sir हमसे ये product ले लो. Never go it through a bank. Better to go through a advisor or think about yourself, research, do your own research on the website, but never take it from a bank. Make it a point. If you know some bank professional even कि आपका जानकार भी होगा, वो भी आपको बेचेगा, उनके targets हैं. Even the private hospital doctors have the targets. That's why they charge you so high. So if you have a loan with low interest rate, home loans, and they also provide you a tax benefit, so you can think about that. You should take it, because ultimately they are very cheaper, and we know that we cannot buy a 1 crore home, but we can build it slowly. So then you can take it, but don't take it for your luxury. So be sure that अगर आपको लग रहा है इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत ही रिस्की है, that's what we talked about the risk profile. So आपकी फैमिली को, जैसे गैम्बलिंग है, गैम्बलिंग इज टोटली, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड गैम्बलिंग. आप रोडपति भी बन सकते हो, करोड़पति भी बन सकते हो. सो अपनी उसी हिसाब से करना है. सिमिलरली इवन इक्विटी मार्केट्स, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, you need to think about that whether I can take that risk. So that then comes into the picture is the asset allocation. So आप एक ही बास्केट में सब कुछ नहीं डाल सकते. You need to put your all the eggs in the different baskets. अगर एक ही एग बाई चांस एक बास्केट भी आपकी गिर गई, एक ही सब कुछ है, सारे एग्स टूट जाएंगे आपके. So that's why we should not put all the eggs in a single basket. So we have a different kind of investment products. सेविंग्स में आ जाता है आपका PPF FD, जिसमें आपको कोई रिस्क ही नहीं रहता है. देन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आ जाते हैं, स्टॉक्स, ETFs, these are the same kind of things. Then equity products like PMS, mutual funds, then ULIPs. Avoid these ULIPs. Again, banks will sell it to you saying सर आपको इंश्योरेंस मिल रहा है, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स होती है. एवरी प्रोडक्ट शुड बी डिफरेंट. अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है, इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जाओ, इंश्योरेंस के लिए तो इंश्योरेंस लो. डोंट मिक्स एनी टू थिंग्स. डोंट बाय LICs, डोंट बाय ULIPs. अगर आपको इंश्योरेंस लेना है, टर्म प्लान लो, मेडिकल प्लान लो। अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करनी है, सेविंग करनी है, पीपीएफ करो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिस्क प्रोफाइल, या स्टॉक्स मार्केट में डालो। स्टॉक्स का नहीं पता, इक्विटी और डेट फंड्स में डालो। जो स्ट्रक्चर प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं ये आपके लिए नहीं है अभी, डोंट गो इनटू दैट। गोल्ड ईटीएफ्स हैं, गोल्ड बॉन्ड्स हैं। अगर आपको गोल्ड खरीदना है, आपके पास 50,000 1 लाख रुपया नहीं है, तो आप इनके बॉन्ड्स और ईटीएफ्स खरीद सकते हो। टीचर्स माइट बी नोइंग इट, राइट? सो आजकल बॉन्ड्स आते हैं, गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स भी आ रहे हैं, तो यू कैन बाय इट। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से डाइवर्सिफाई रिस्क विद द एसेट एलोकेशन। इंडियंस लोग गोल्ड में कम करते हैं क्योंकि वो घर में खरीद लेते हैं। सो दे बाय गोल्ड ऑन दिवाली, मे बी सम मैरिजेस. So they have a different ways of, everyone has a different kind of, every state has a different festivals they buy. कोई अक्षय तृतीया पे खरीदता है, so accordingly. So then investment products का हम लोग एक पोर्टफोलियो बनाते हैं। तो हमें सब कुछ देखना पड़ता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट और लिक्विडिटी कितनी है। लिक्विडिटी मीन्स आपके पास रेडी मनी कितनी है। तो जो आप इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करते हो कई बार लॉस में होती हैं, बट यू नीड इमीडिएट लिक्विडिटी। दो वी शुड हैव द इमरजेंसी फंड, बट आपको सपोज 5 लाख की जगह 15 लाख की जरूरत पड़ गई, तो आप एटलीस्ट निकाल तो सकते हो। अगर आपका रियल एस्टेट या गोल्ड में होगा, कैन यू बाय इट? नो। सेल इट? नो। आप एकदम में जाके घर कैसे बेचोगे? सो यू शुड हैव द प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड लिक्विडिटी एज पर योर नीड्स। टैक्स प्लानिंग होनी चाहिए। यू शुड से मैक्सिमम टैक्स, नॉट अंडर डिस्ट्रेस। अगेन रिस्क मैनेजमेंट करनी है, हमें इमरजेंसी फंड लेना है, हमें इंश्योरेंस लेना है, एसेट एलोकेशन करनी है, तो आपको रिटर्न्स का भी ध्यान रखना है, so that you should not be getting at least less return than the inflation. You should be getting at least 1 to 2% more, so that at least you can build some अपना wealth. Otherwise how can you create the wealth? No, you cannot create. Then आजकल आपने SIP सुना होगा. This is kind of a, you can say, stock or mutual fund investment. I'm just, so that for particularly for students, this is very important if they start it right away from the day one. Starting early is like, जैसे हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था, as soon as you start the investment, better it is. But earlier you can retire, earlier you can say achieve your goals. So there are a lot of myths, right? सिप क्या होती है? चाहे आपकी आरडी होती है, आप बैंक में मंथली करते हो, you go and say to the bank, give the order to the bank, please deduct 500 rupees, 1000 rupees or 100 rupees from my account daily, or maybe post office में भी करते हैं कुछ लोग. So it is already deducted. So automatically deducted. Similarly, SIP is systematic investment plan. It gives you a discipline. The amount is, or you give a bank, mutual fund the authority to deduct some particular amount from the bank, to give instruction to them that I will, this mutual fund will have 1000 rupees per month from my account, and it is automatically invested in that particular mutual fund. Mutual funds are invested into the various fixed income securities or stock market, right? Mutual fund, I'm sorry, just have about. So what are mutual funds? Mutual fund are a basket of stocks. You don't know about the stocks, so better to go with the mutual funds. So now you know about the companies like Infosys, Wipro, Reliance, TCS, L&T. So these are the big companies, but you don't have the money. Reliance का एक शेयर 2000 का, TCS का 2000 का, Infosys का 1000 का. Then the students think that we have only 500 rupees. How can we invest? So somebody tells them they buy any Eragara Nathukara stock, वो हो जाता है. There are some good stocks also. They can also invest less than 100 rupees, 200 rupees, सब तरह के. But if they don't know, just take some anyone's help or maybe your parents' help. You can start an SIP. So it is very, very much affordable. You can start with a minimum amount of 100 rupees. It is a disciplined approach like RD. You give the instruction to mutual fund or bank, इतना पैसा मेरे account से कटेगा at that particular day of the month. So if Saturday, Sunday is there, then it will be deducted on the next working day. So it will be automatically deducted. So it is a kind of a disciplined approach. Rupee cost averaging. What happens? Stock market is rising, तो आपका यूनिट्स कम आएंगे, तो आपके स्टॉक्स की वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी. सो इफ यू आर बाइंग, आज आपको 10 सेब 100 रुपए किलो है, तो आपके 10 सेब आ रहे हैं, तो आपको एक एप्पल की कॉस्ट कितनी पड़ी? 10 रुपए. बट टुमारो द कॉस्ट ऑफ एप्पल्स विल राइज टू 200 or maybe 180 in the off season. So it only you can buy, you can say 5 apple or 6 apples. Similarly, the stock market is that When the stock markets are high, you will buy the less units. So when the stock markets dips, you will buy more units. So that is why it's called rupee costing averaging. तो आप अपने गोल्स को जैसे हमने ऊपर किया था, यू कैन डिफाइन योर गोल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिप, SIP. जैसे एजुकेशन है तो हमें कितना अमाउंट करना है, उसी हिसाब से अपनी सिप डिफाइन कर सकते हो. जैसे ये हमने किया था 2000 पर मंथ, 3000 पर मंथ, 5000 पर मंथ. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द ₹100 ऑल्सो. So this is how we build the investment portfolio. The most important thing that people don't do, because they have to pay some money to advisor, sometimes they think they don't get any benefit out of it, but that is one of the most beneficial step, because sometimes आज गोल्ड बढ़ गया, कल इक्विटी मार्केट बढ़ गई, यू नीड टू देन रीबैलेंस योर पोर्टफोलियो अगेन. और आपका अपकमिंग इवेंट है, आपकी 3 साल बाद या 2 साल बाद बच्चा चाइल्ड की मैरिज है, या यू आर गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड योर सेल्फ, राइट? सो देन यू नीड टू प्लान. इक्विटी मार्केट आ रहा है और गोल्ड मार्केट आ रहा है, तो मुझे पैसा कहाँ पे डालना है. सो दिस इज अ डायनेमिक प्रोसेस एंड कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस. आपका कोई लाइफ गोल चेंज हो रहा है, आपकी सैलरी चेंज होगी, आपकी कोई लॉटरी निकल गई, नहीं निकलती है, बट समटाइम्स few people also get it, right? Some intelligent student or capable students can win Indian Idol kind of stuff, or they develop some application, so they can automatically redesign their goals. So exercise discipline. The most important thing is you need to exercise your financial discipline. Then आपको अपना बजट, अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो रेगुलरली विजिट करना है. परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ आपकी पोर्टफोलियो की देखनी है, कब इक्विटी मार्केट बढ़ रही है, कब गोल्ड मार्केट बढ़ रही है, कब डेट मार्केट बढ़ रही है, so that you can rebalance your portfolios. So adjust changes at the different life stages and adjust risk accordingly. The way we grow, once the people reaches near like 40s or 45, maybe near retirement, so unki risk capability, they should take less risk, because now their retirement is coming and they will not be earning. So they now try to move towards the safer investment sides. So आप अपने resources, आज कोरोना के कारण कई लोगों की जॉब चलेगी, so they need to adjust their resources. They may not be able to do any investment kind of thing, right? So some people have got a better opportunities. They may have got a job outside also. Few people who were staying in America, now Trump government are sending them back. So they need to reduce their resources time to time. So this was all about the financial planning. So you must have read that book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. So that's what we say, that financial freedom is mental, emotional, and educational process. So you need to read, you need to listen to YouTube channels. You may also listen some news channels, not throughout the day, maybe 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. There are some important mutual fund helplines and stock market updates are coming, or maybe different investment purposes. You can watch that. So it is all about learning. Be strong mentally, be trust yourself, be strong mentally, emotionally. So आज ऐसा नहीं, आज वो बढ़ गया तो इमोशनल में आके सब कुछ बेचना है, आज वो कम हो गया तो भी बेचना है. People do the mistake. When the things are down, they start selling the things. आज वो डाउन है, कल अप भी होगा. Everything not remains the same, right? Doesn't remain the same every day. The things changes. So this is all about the financial freedom, and thanks everyone for attending so patiently, right? So it's always good to advise, get advice from someone, or if you know, if your friend is giving it to you, it's fine, or you may consult some advisor. So even I have my own financial advisory, as Nidhi madam told you in front. So for in symbiosis, for Bharati Vidyapeeth people, I can definitely give some good discounts. For teachers, if they come through Nidhi madam, or they can tell me they are from Bharati Vidyapeeth, I can definitely charge much lower to them. I know Nidhi madam, they are doing their financial planning for 5 years from now, for 3 years from me now. So I will not charge. They know I don't charge just because I want to earn money, but I want people to learn more, understand more, to safeguard themselves more. So don't go for higher products, or don't go beyond their risks. So even for students, they can call me anytime, or drop me a mail better, and they will get a better response. You can also visit my blogs. Everything is given in the contact downwards. So my WhatsApp number is 9130047262. You can contact me anytime. I'm most welcome. And thank you, Sagar sir and Neeraj sir, for giving me this opportunity to represent it to the Bharatiya Vidyapeeth once again. So any questions now? Let's take the question answer session if you have.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sagar ji.
Sir, my name is Uday Patil. I'm working as a associate professor in Bharati here.
Yeah, Uday ji.
Sir, I would like to ask you one question, sir. So,
Sure.
not me only, but various members from our society, as you said, that all are investing in LIC, right? Sir, whatever the output we get from the LIC, you said that is rightly that 2% or 3% maximum, 4 to 5% is there. So, whatever the stocks are there right now, can we withdraw the stocks, and in which investments would you like to invest in, whether the mutual funds or SIPs?
Sir, that's what I said. Like,
yeah,
we need to discuss how much risk you can take. हर एक बंदा स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकता. डायरेक्ट स्टॉक अगर आपको नहीं पता, देखो what people have done in the corona thing, or most of the students, and students you are listening, listen it very carefully. They have become traders. They get some tips and they start doing trading with their and out of only 100 people, 10 people earns, and this is sure. Maybe today
what various companies are doing there, they are giving the tips. Some suppose I am a new trader in the stock.
सर अगर आपको नहीं पता खुद स्टॉक्स के बारे में, टिप्स में मत जाइए. कभी भी टिप्स पे नहीं जाना है. टिप्स पे तो जाना ही नहीं है. देखो आज आप 10,000 लगाओगे, आपको हो सकता है 15,000 2 दिन में बन जाए, पर जब आप वो डुबोएंगे आपके 10,000 भी जाएंगे.
वो डूब सकते हैं.
सर हाँ, ट्रेडिंग देखो, ट्रेडिंग अगर आपको खुद नहीं पता, यू शुड नेवर डू इट. That's why some people think it is easier money. It is not an easy money. This is a process. You need to be very patient. If you don't know yourself about the stocks, never invest there. हाँ, अगर आपको अच्छा आउटलुक पता है, लाइक TCS है, इन्फोसिस है, रिलायंस है, तो पता है अभी ये कंपनी कभी डूबेंगी नहीं, अच्छा देती ही रहेंगी, ITC है, L&T है, you should go and invest that. There are very very good mid caps और जो छोटी स्केल की कंपनियां हैं which have very good potential, but unless you don't know, why should you invest? You can consult some advisor, but don't do trade, because trading needs all the time in front of screen. And अगर आपका कई बार 1 मिनट भी इधर उधर हो जाता है, कोई मार्केट न्यूज आ गई, it can take you deep down to the what I can say in the stress.
Yeah, the same thing I would like to tell you. In the 2008 crisis, we were 4 to 5 people doing the stock exchange daily, but I was not doing it that, but little bit thoda seek raha tha. So at the same time, what happened, my friend was there and he used to do in intraday, and that 2008 or something market was crashed, and within one day he have lost of rupees 10 lakhs in that.
सर वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ आपको, बने अभी देखो मार्केट अप जा रही है. मार्केट अप जा रही है, बट पीपल डू. सबसे बड़ी बात, आपको कभी भी इन्वेस्टमेंट लोन लेके नहीं करनी है.
राइट.
कोई भी चीज आपको अपनी लग्जरी लोन लेके नहीं करनी है.
If you are having saving, then only you should invest in the stock market.
अगर आपको लॉस होगा, at least you have the capability, you can earn tomorrow from your salary itself. बट अगर आपने लोन ले लिया, आप अपनी सैलरी अपने घर वालों के लिए यूज करोगे लोन पे करने में.
So my question was there, what now presently whatever the investment is there in LIC, that is right. So shall we withdraw it from that LIC or
नहीं सर, वो सब आपको सारा असेस करने के साथ पता लगता है. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी 15 साल दे दिया है, आपके 5 साल लगे, आप क्यों विड्रॉ करोगे? अगर आपको 1-2 साल हुए हैं और LIC का कौन सा प्लान है, उसका क्या क्राइटेरिया है. सपोज एक उनका प्लान आया था जीवन सरल, मेरे पास भी था. मैंने भी बहुत गलतियां की LIC में. मैंने I have lost 2 lakhs of rupees, मतलब LIC में. मैं सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ आपको.
प्लान इज with everyone sir.
हाँ, 1-2 प्लान सबके पास है, जीवन नंद और जीवन सरल, राइट? ठीक है, अभी आपको मैं बताता हूँ. तो जीवन सरल प्लान यू कैन विड्रॉ आफ्टर 10 years. अभी आप 7 साल के, अब सर सुनिए मेरी बात 1 मिनट. तो अभी आपने 25 years का प्लान लिया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट बिकम्स अ लायबिलिटी फॉर यू फॉर 25 years. ठीक है, आपको पे करना ही पड़ेगा. 1 साल भी आपने बंद कर दी, उस दिन आपकी दुकानें बंद कर देंगे LIC वाले. आप कहेंगे आपका पैसा पेड अप कैपिटल हो गया है. सो जीवन सरल प्लान का एक बेनिफिट है, अगर आपको 7-8 साल में 2 साल और पे करो, 10 साल बाद विड्रॉ करा लो। आपका कोई लोन है, लोन भी रीपे कर दो, इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, सिप करना है, एसटीपी करना है, देयर आर वेरियस एवेन्यूज जहाँ पे भी आपकी रिस्क कैपेसिटी है, करो। दूसरी चीज आप कहते हैं कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करना है, स्टॉक्स में करना चाहिए। सर वो आपका रिस्क प्रोफाइल होता है, मैं किसी को भी सजेस्ट नहीं करता, अगर आपका इक्विटी में लॉस रिस्क प्रोफाइल नहीं है, डोंट डू देन। मैंने ऊपर भी ये लिखा, डोंट कॉपी अदर्स। हर एक बंदे का अपना अपना रिस्क प्रोफाइल है। सर मैं बैंक एफडी में आज तक नहीं किया मैंने कभी इन्वेस्ट। आई कैन टेक फुल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ माई सेल्फ, आई नो व्हाट टू डू, आई नो वेयर टू गेट द मनी। ठीक है, 2-3 साल डिस्ट्रेस में जाते हैं, मैं अपनी टैक्स सेविंग करता हूँ। मेरे पापा आज 75 ईयर्स के होने को हैं, वो नहीं एफडी करते हैं, वो कहते हैं कोई बात नहीं, ये तो 1-2 साल नीचे होता रहता है, पर अल्टीमेटली वी नो वेयर टू गेट द मनी। पहले उन्होंने कभी जिंदगी में किया नहीं, 60 साल के बाद इन्वेस्टमेंट करने लगे। वो कहते हैं मुझे चाहिए नहीं, तुम लोग सेट हो, मेरी रिटायरमेंट पेंशन ठीक है, मैं अपना खर्चा चला सकता हूँ, तो करो, क्या दिक्कत है।
ओके
सो सर हर का रिस्क प्रोफाइल अलग रहता है। मेरी वाइफ है, जबकि मैं उनको समझाता हूँ, ये बहुत डरती हैं, नहीं करना नहीं है, शेयर्स में नहीं करना है इन्वेस्ट, डूब जाएंगे पैसे। हर एक का अलग अलग है। अब निधि मैडम ही है, निधि मैडम खुद डरती हैं, पर उनके हस्बैंड इज वेरी ब्रेव, राइट, ही नोज दैट।
ओके सर ओके
तो हर एक बंदे का सर, तभी तो कहता हूँ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर के पास जाइए। आप ये मत सोचिए कि आपके पैसे लगेंगे। फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर चार्ज फ्रॉम 10,000 to 50,000 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देयर मार्केट स्टैंडिंग, राइट। वही कहते हैं मारुति और अगर मर्सिडीज के पास जाओगे, फर्क तो पड़ते हैं किसके पास कितने, बाकी नाम है, ब्रांडिंग है।
यस यस
सेम चीज की हो सकता है आपको। अगर प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, कई बार आपको जो बंदा मार्केट में सेवा करने के लिए बैठता है, हम उसको कहते हैं वो नहीं यार वो सस्ता है तो बुरा है, ऐसा भी नहीं होता है। उसकी दुकान चलती है, उसने 10 बंदे रखे हुए, तो उनको उसका खर्चा भी तो देना है ना।
ये कंसल्टेंट है तो उनको भी चाहिए जो
हाँ,
कोई
तो
भी
फिर लोग कहेंगे 1 घंटा लग गया, और 1 घंटे के उसने 10,000 चार्ज कर लिया। यार आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, 5 मिनट के 1,000 रुपया दे के आ जाते हो, आपकी उसके आप ठीक भी होगे कि नहीं होगे, वो आपकी पूरी जिंदगी का बना के दे रहा है रोड मैप आपको। 1 दिन के उसने 10,000 चार्ज कर लिया, आपको ज्यादा लगते हैं, 1 दिन में होता नहीं है सर, फिर भी हफ्ता 10 दिन लग जाते हैं। तो ऐसा ही है, मतलब यू नीड टू सिट विद योर फाइनेंशियल प्लानर। मैं तभी आज मैंने निधि मैडम को कहा था, मैं भारतीय विद्यापीठ वाले अगर आते हैं तो आई कैन गिव अ स्पेशल डिस्काउंट। ऐसा नहीं है भी आप, वो आपकी एवरीथिंग विल बी इन योर रेंज, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत एफटी चार्ज करूंगा। मार्केट में मेरा चार्ज अलग है, आपको मतलब इट विल बी वेरी नॉमिनल इन केस यू वांट टू डिस्कस विद मी। बट हाँ, डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट बिल्ड अप योर इमरजेंसीज। अगर आपके पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं है, इंश्योरेंस लीजिए, मुझसे लीजिए, ऑनलाइन लीजिए, किसी और आपका दोस्त है उससे लीजिए, बट डू सिक्योर योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली। हम लोग सोच रहे हैं सर, एक साल ही बीमारी आती है तो बस किसी को भी आ गई, घर में सारा पैसा लेके चली जाती है जो हमारी सेविंग है, फिर हम स्ट्रेस में जाते हैं, फिर हम खरीदते हैं उस टाइम। पहले जब व्हेन वी आर नॉर्मल, व्हेन वी आर हेल्दी, नोबडी टेक्स इट, बट व्हेन वी बिकम इल ना, जब अपने को एक इलनेस आ जाती है ना, देन नोबडी गिव्स अस।
या ओके सर थैंक यू
हेलो सर।
हेलो,
हाँ सर, दिस इज एस के मिश्रा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर।
हेलो सर।
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली the teaching faculty, they want to save the money by tax money, and they invest in national saving certificates and public provident fund. Are these are good savings for salaried people?
नो सर, एनएससी तो मैं कभी भी रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा, आई नेवर रिकमेंड एनएससी, ठीक है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इंटरेस्ट इज ऑलरेडी टैक्स्ड। सेकेंडली, उस पर आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलता कितना, 7%, उतना तो आपको एफडी में ही 5 साल में मिल जाएगा। दूसरी चीज, पीपीएफ इज स्टिल बेटर देन एनएससी, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट यू आर गेटिंग 7.5% इंटरेस्ट फ्री टैक्स, ठीक है, सॉरी रिटर्न, टैक्स फ्री रिटर्न। But now PPFs are also linked to the market by government. That is a good step, and which was due for a long time. वो टाइम गए जब PPF में आपको 12% रिटर्न मिलता था. So PPF is also giving around 7.5% return. So in case you need money after 15 years, then invest in PPF. Otherwise, I will recommend you to invest money in BPF. Extra money जो आपकी है.
What is this BPF? What is this
Voluntary
BPF, sir?
Voluntary Provident Fund. अगर आपको
Okay.
करना ही है तो वॉलंटरी
Sir.
प्रोविडेंट फंड आपकी इंस्टीट्यूट में होता है, आप अपने कॉलेज से पूछिए, अपने फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट से पूछिए, whether we can do VPF. हाँ, पर अगर आपने अपनी वाइफ के और बच्चे के नाम पे करना है, then you have to do PPF only. पर NSE would never be recommended. दूसरी चीज है, बाकी अदर एवेन्यूज हैं, अगर आपको टैक्स सेविंग करनी है, आप अपना पहले पूरा प्रोफाइल बनाइए, आप हेलो
Hello.
ये आवाज
हाँ सर,
वो आ
ओके
रही है।
सर।
Yeah.
तो उसमें आप अपना बच्चों की फीस भी दिखा सकते हो। हेलो,
Hello.
यस सर।
हाँ ठीक है, अभी है, बीच में आवाज गूंज रही थी एक्चुअली। तो यू कैन मेक अ प्रोफाइल ऑफ योर सेल्फ, बच्चों की फीस आ जाती है, होम लोन है अगर आपका तो होम लोन का प्रिंसिपल आ जाता है, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस है उसमें आ जाता है। तो डोंट गो बियॉन्ड योर लिमिट्स इन द टैक्स सेविंग, राइट। 1.5 लाख तक की है तो 1.5 लाख तक ही रखिए। उसके ऊपर अगर आपको सेव
Hello?
करना है तो स्टार्ट एनपीएस।
Sir, can we go for
Any
more
questions?
this medical
Any other
insurance?
questions?
As present, I am putting 15,000, 16,000 yearly for medical insurance. Can we go for the maximum only 25,000?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं जा सकते सर।
Okay, sir. Thank you very
आपको
much.
यू हैव टू इंक्रीज योर कवर ना फिर दैट इन दैट टाइम। बट हाँ, आपको उसको आप अपना वही देखिए आपको कितने की रिक्वायरमेंट है। सिर्फ टैक्स सेविंग के कारण भी मत जाइए। अगर आपको 5 लाख का इंश्योरेंस लगता है काफी है तो काफी है। डोंट गेट स्ट्रेस योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट। अपनी इमरजेंसी हमें कवर करनी है, बट अपने आप को स्ट्रेस भी मत डालिएगा इतना भी आप डेली लाइफ में स्ट्रेस हो जाए सिर्फ टैक्स सेविंग के
No,
कारण।
as you said that for medical expenses, it will require more at once. Only it will go out. एक ही
या
झटके में पैसा
हाँ
निकल
नहीं
जाता है।
हाँ नहीं
वो रिस्क
नहीं,
को
आप
कवर
उसको
करने के लिए
अगर
क्या
आपको
कर सकते
5 से 10 लाख तक का कवर करके चलिए फैमिली के लिए आज की डेट में।
हैं? Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, risk appetite for equity means like if I want to invest in equity, like then what is the risk appetite?
It should be the highest one.
So, does
Hello.
anyone have any other question? Like, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Feedback link.
Yeah, we already shared the chat.
Hello,
Please
sir.
check in the chat box.
Hello.
Yeah. Just go through your chat box. It is share on it. So just fill the feedback form. You will be receive your certificate today itself. There are less.
Chat
There
box
are.
is not displayed, ma'am.
I am
Sir,
unable to
chat box
open
is
the
not
chat
displayed.
box, sir.
Chat box is not displayed.
Yes, chat box is not
Yes.
displayed.
Okay.
Okay.
So we will see.
Wait. We will see.
Here
Just
there is no chat box.
Feedback form sent on the WhatsApp number, sir. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, okay,
There is
sir.
group, sir.
Fine.
There is a group
We have
WhatsApp.
ended the session
Yeah.
now.
WhatsApp
will,
group is there. You can send
So
a feedback power.
So can I drop now? You can take it forward, Nidhi ji.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks everyone for giving this opportunity. Okay, so have a good life.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good time ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Just I want to conclude this
Thank you, sir.
session. Yeah, please allow me to conclude this session. My voice is audible?
Yes,
ma'am.
Please send the feedback link in my mail ID, ma'am. I am not in WhatsApp group.
Okay, what's your name? Yeah.
Sanjay Kumar, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sanjay Kumar.
Okay. Okay, Sanjay. I will send.
Mail ID G sanjaygopi2000@gmail.com, ma'am.
Okay, I will send. Don't worry. Huh?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Excuse me, ma'am. Send me also.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Send the feedback form on the WhatsApp group, madam.
Madam,
Ma'am, I am not in WhatsApp
problem.
group, so send me mail ID, ma'am.
WhatsApp.
Hello. Yeah. So
Hello.
just I want to conclude the session because everyone is getting late. Kamal sir, it was very informative session, and even though like I'm very new in this domain, but then also I understood the finance and everything very profoundly. and you took this session in a very simple language, and you also explain about financial planning, what is the need for the student and the faculty. And you also explain about the need of financial planning, asset building, budget preparation, financial plan, etc. Thank you very much for this wonderful session. And I would like to thank our principal sir for motivating, supporting, and in arranging this type of session. I would like to thank our faculty members for sparing their valuable time in attending this session. I would like to thank our ECEL team members for organizing and for unconditional support. Last but not the least, student, without them the session would not be a successful one. Thank you all for attending this session. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you send me feedback in my WhatsApp? Personal WhatsApp.
We will see actually. You ping me. You ping me on my number, so that I will send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Ma'am, can you give me your WhatsApp number for feedback link?
WhatsApp number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like you are from our college only?
College, ma'am.
Can we leave now?
Yeah.
The link will be mailed to you.
Hello. Hello.